Get ready with me habang nagpapakilala ako sa inyong lahat. Ang tunay kong pangalan ay Juliana, pero most of you guys probably know me as Yana. Pinanganak ako sa San Pablo, pero most of my family taga-Chaang, Quezon sila. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, I went to the school called Canosa College sa San Pablo. Nag-start yata ako dun nung kinder pa ako until 6th grade nung umalis na ako papuntang US. Kung nakikilala niyo ako from those days, hello. Probably haven't seen each other in 6 years. Wait, if you are still going to Canosa College sa San Pablo, pwede niyo akong i-hi kay Miss Santos. She was literally my teacher and my parents' teacher way back then. I moved here in the US about 6 years ago, so when I was like 12 in 2018. Ito na nga yung biggest question, ba't ako pumunta dito sa Amerika? Siyempre para sa American dream, the opportunities, para yumaman, maging millionaire. Newsflash, we never became millionaires. Dito sa Amerika, naninirahan kami sa Chicago kasi nandun yung mga pamilya namin. Upon coming here, I met my grandparents for the very first time on my dad's side, tapos nakita ko na yung mga pinsan ko na hindi ko nakita for like 12 years. During high school, nakakagulat, nag-sports ako. I did tennis at saka badminton. I think the last time I tried out for a sport was back in 6th grade. Volleyball yata yun. Ito yung ulo ko nakalugawan ng bola, like as in, gumanon siya. That was probably the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to me. I did tennis for 4 years and badminton for 1. Huwag kayo para sa badminton. First year ko nun. First year ako nasa varsity agad-agad. The joke, bulok lang yung team namin kaya ako napapunta doon. If you have seen one of my other Get Ready With Me's, I was desperate enough in high school to email this one kid because I liked him so much, but I was too scared to ask for his number. So using the school email, I emailed this kid and I was like, oh, you look cute. Tapos nilagay ko yung number ko. At school, I didn't really do too much. I was just that kid that did her homework, did her, like, everything. But there was this one time that I low-key kind of embarrassed myself in front of everyone. It was during my senior year of high school, so literal, February, nagtinikling ako in front of everyone for Culture Day. I have 2 sisters younger than me. One is 8 and one is 6. Inintay talaga ni na mami tumanda ako para maging babysitter ng mga kapatid ko. Don't worry, mahal na mahal ko po yung mga kapatid ko. Nga pala, this is such a common misconception. I am not 14. 18 na po ako ngayon. Oh my God. I was literally born in 2006. Hindi po ako 14. Alam ko mukha akong baby, pero 2006! I'm legally an adult. Umuwi ako recently sa Pilipinas noong 2023 and that was probably the best time of my life. Pero kung papapiliin niyo ako kung saan ko mas gusto tumira, dito na ako sa US. Nasanay na ako dito sa US. Tapos nandito na din mostly yung mga kaibigan ko. I actually had a plan that I was gonna come back this summer sa Pilipinas kaso medyo malabo na. But I truly wanna go back sa Pilipinas kaso mag-iipon muna ako. That's the facts about myself. Kung meron pang ibang tanong, comment nyo lang. Bye-bye!